Hi everyone, I got few questions about why I need to do leveling over the wood subfloor and is it possible to do it with self-leveling compound. In this video I will show you some best result when I did leveling and then I install hardwood flooring. So before here was carpet in this area. It's living room and second floor in the house. So when we removed carpet, in living room was very deep. If it's compared with staircase, you will see how it's deep. So, but before I show you all imperfection, I will show you after leveling how it looks like. You see, when you do leveling, you can make nice connection with fireplace, with tiles, and floor will look really flat without any up and down like it's happened sometimes when they install floor without any preparation. So you see, here is the staircase, entrance to the hallway, fireplace, and I try to match whole level with staircase. You see, straight edge showed us this is sloping down to the fireplace. So what I did, first of all, I grind the floor, remove all dust and all debris. I use a grinder with turbo blade. So when I did it, I made subfloor wet for better bonding plani patch. This is special material which helped me better bonding self-leveling compound with wood subfloor in the future, and cover hole gaps and some holes, so protect any leaks downstairs. Believe me, after removing carpet in wood subfloor, a lot of holes from nails, screws, some cracks. Plani patch will help a lot. For big area I'm using tripods. It's special tools. You see the bottom plate on the central bolt of these tripods. I'm just matching this bottom plate with a laser line. Laser line I make flat with staircase, and now we see how the deep the spot. So you don't have to do a lot of measurements, just put laser and set up and around all this area tripods. Just very easy to do it, and then you will see how much you have to put self-leveling compound. Installation of these tools, it's very important part of your leveling, because it saves your time when you pour self-leveling compound, and in this self-leveling compound not drying before you finish the project. So you don't have to worry, just pour the self-leveling compound and see when it's attached to the bottom plate. So don't forget put primer. So in this project, what I did, I just set up the tripods, and then I just forgot put primer, and I was lazy. I didn't take tripods off, just lift it up and put primer under each tripod and fill up all this area. Now the process of leveling. For mixing self-leveling compound, I'm using barrel. It's for 1 bucket of water and 3 bags of self-leveling compound. So now I'm just pour the self-leveling compound and see when compound attach to bottom plate of each tripod. Very good idea to use plani patch for bonding with wood self-leveling compound. So before I use special primer, but when I'm using special primer, it's tip primer. I have to, after primering whole area, I have to put silicone to fill up whole holes. I spent a lot of time to do this process. Now I'm just apply Plani patch cover all the holes, and I'm not worried about any leaks. You know, it's really dangerous when it's leaking downstairs. So you see, I put foam around fireplace, around the wall. I cover the vents. I put some piece of baker board, and then when I finish leveling, I just remove it. So after applying whole self-leveling compound, I'm using spike roller. What spike roller doing? You see, it's make a nice flat surface, and it's shiny surface. If no any reflection, it's like a wavy reflection. It means area it's really level, and all airs coming out and beautiful, huh? And when it's dry, it will be very nice level. Then I just do some skim coat with connect with some plywood, because between self-leveling compound and plywood can be, you know, some lower spot. Do some smoothing grinding, and I can start the installation. You see, everybody can do it. Just need little skills, spend time, and I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.